I have here a Poposaop solar-powered pond pump with a spring attachment. I'm going to show you what's in the box and then take a little break while I set it up, show you how it all works. So you open up the box, there's an instruction manual, and these two pieces you'll see in a second are used to prop up the solar panel, and it can either be, by the use of these two holes, attached to a fixture like a fence, or you can put the stake that's also provided in the bottom and put it in your yard. Okay. Make sure that when you set this up that the solar panel is also always facing slightly to the southeast so it gets maximum sun. The instructions are simple to follow, relatively well written. They do show all the components that come with the product, and simple instructions for setting up the various sprayers. You'll see in a second that there are a variety of sprayers. First thing you'll see is this PVC tubing. So in addition to being able to be a water supply for the sprayers, the PVC tubing can be used to attach to a water dispensing feature that you put into a pond. Okay. These plastic components are the various sprayer heads that can be attached to the pump. Next, you'll take out this box and you'll notice the blue nipple. Open the box, and here is the pump along with the cord that is going to connect to the solar panel. There is a filter inside. See the slots on either side. There's a filter in the pump, and it comes with a spare filter. So if after time this filter gets clogged, you just remove the plastic housing around the pump side and replace the filter with one of the provided filters. Okay.
We love everything solar. We're tired of batteries and we don't want to plug stuff in, so solar is the way to go.
So this is the pump. This is the connection for the solar panel. The final component is the solar panel. It comes packed with some foam which is designed to protect it during shipping. So here's your solar panel. To attach the bracket, just slide it, and you can see that it's got a quick release. So just slide it in. And now that is ready to be installed. Okay? And the pump can either be, or the panel can either be vertical or horizontal. Doesn't make any difference. Just make sure it's got good sun exposure. Okay.
We'll give you a minute to do some setup.
Yep, all I need to do, what I'm going to do during the setup is attach some of these heads, and you'll see we're sitting next to our swimming pool. I'm going to set this up so you can see how it operates once everything's all hooked up and ready to go. Okay. Okay, so I've assembled it. I've used some of the plastic components that come with it and put a sprinkler head on it. It's in our swimming pool. As you can see, the total length of the pole provided, if you're going to use this to spray out of the top of the pond, is about 12 inches. On the side of the pump, I'm going to take it out of the pool now so you can see, is a gauge, and you can adjust it for the amount of water you want it to push, minus the plus. I have it on the plus setting. Also, this allows you to do some control of the flow too. If it is vertical, it should be open. Let's see what happens. Okay, so now I put that on vertical, and now the water really comes out. I adjust that a little bit. Whoop. I can adjust that a little bit through this knob to control the amount of spray, and I can do that with all the sprayer heads. So there you have it.
Okay, and this would be really pretty in a shallower pond, or our next step down, it's to the black.
Or you could connect it. Again, you could connect it using the provided PVC tubing to a device. Whoa! It's got suction cups on the bottom. I just didn't have it well.
Yeah, we don't have attached right now. Yeah, it'd be beautiful in a small bowl or lots of different areas.
Yep.
All right, come on. There we go, and it's going again. Okay, so in the right container, this is going to be really fun. Thank you.